bod yma heddiw a diolch yn fawr iawn I Dyfrig am trefnu. We've all come here today to make a statement. We want to make it clear to all of our fellow citizens that racism, exclusion and attempts to divide will not be tolerated. We want to live in peace and we want to live together. And the messages of hate that are pushed by the far-right groups are not welcome here. The awful events in Paris last week and the backlash towards Muslims as a result, the fears and the concerns that have been thrown up by the refugee crisis make our task more difficult. It also makes our task more necessary. I would urge every fair-minded person in this country to stand up against hatred and to stand up against racism, wherever and however you can. It won't always be easy, but it must always be challenged. Those who are responsible for the deaths and the destruction in Paris last week want people to be afraid. They want us to be suspicious and to turn against our Muslim neighbours. They want interracial conflict. We must not give them what they want. If we do, they will have won. Now, I have a message to all of our Muslim neighbours and to all those others who live in our communities and who are the target of hate. I want you to know that we stand with you, that we will not turn the other cheek when you come under attack. We are here to defend you. I want you to know that I meet hundreds of people most weeks, and the vast majority of people are not racist. And I would imagine that you, as Muslims, hear those voices of hate far more than you hear our voices. But I'd say don't listen to them, listen to us instead. Wales is a country built on immigration. Where I come from, our communities hardly existed 150 years ago. Those communities were built by immigrants, and we are the richer for it. People from different countries make an enormous contribution to the building of Wales, in our health service, in our education system, as business people in our community, and we value the contribution that they make. Friends, the economic situation, the conflict abroad, which is creating more refugees across Europe, and of course events in Paris, create perfect conditions for far-right groups and far-right politics to thrive. Our understanding of history tells us wherever the fascists try to express themselves, we have to take a stand against them. Of course, all of you understand that, and that is why you are here. So today, in Llangefni, I say this: no to the politics of the far right, no to the politics of hate. We will not let you divide our communities. Yes to diversity, yes to equality. And to everyone, in Wales, whatever your religion, whatever your colour, whatever languages you do or don't speak, and especially to all of our Muslim brothers and sisters and people of colour in this country, you live here, you are an equal and valued member of our society, and an attack on you is an attack on all of us. We stand with you. We stand against the politics of hate expressing itself on our streets. We are one Wales. We will not allow ourselves to be divided. United we stand, divided we fall. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch yn fawr iawn ti Alberta a Leanne. Nesa dwi'n mynd i ofyn